Trick 6. And the race is on. Larmagnac 6 from the outside by Darrell is impulsive decision, and rising up is DG alongside Queen Cuba. Commodities racing Pip by Darrell G's Commandant Rain Dancer, and Quattro Supra is the early trailer. Larmagnac, DG, Queen Cuba from the outside, impulsive decision. Commodities racing Pip by Darrell and G's Commandant. Rounding the far turn, still Larmagnac by Hapalan. DG impulsive decision. Commodity in the middle alongside Queen Cuba as they race the final corner. Larmagnac, DG from the outside, impulsive decision. She's Commandant, Commodity, and nearing the finish line. DG Larmagnac, Danori inside. DG Larmagnac, but still DG followed by Larmagnac by Darrell, and finally DG Larmagnac. She's Commandant, impulsive decision, Quattro Supra, Commodity, Rain Dancer, and 6A Queen Cuba.